Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide followers lists on Instagram in public account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to hide your follower list here in your Instagram account, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, the thing with Instagram, the options for you to hide certain details may be limited, but it's still possible. So first things first, you want to open up the Instagram app here, and you want to go and click on your profile icon you see at the bottom right of the screen so that you could see your main profile. Now, in your main profile, you want to go and click on the three bar icon that you see at the top right of the screen. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you have a personal account first. So in this case, you want to go and scroll down a bit until you see the account type and tools here, and you want to make sure that you've set this to personal. So in this case, once you do see the account type here, set this to personal. And once you do have set this into personal, or once you do click on switch to personal account, you should be able to have a personal account. Now the thing with this one is, why are we converting our account into a personal account? Because currently with how Instagram is set up and how their settings is currently available right now, the only way for you to hide your follower list is by making your account private. Now, typically, once you do have a public account here, you just want to go to the very top here, go to account privacy, go and click on it, and you want to make sure that you set this to private account. It's going to say switch to private account, click on switch to private, and once you've done that, you should be able to hide your followers list. Now, the thing with this one is, if someone is actually still is already following you, let's just say someone you don't like is already following you, well, they can still see your followers list. So in that case, you want to go to, or want to click on your follower list here, go to your profile, click on follower, and you want to go ahead and just make sure that you remove them from your follower list. So in this case, you want to go and click on the X at the right side here. So it's going to go back here, click on the X. It's going to say remove here, click on remove. And once you remove them from your account, you should now be able to hide that your follower list from that specific person or that specific profile. But yeah, so currently this is the only way for you to hide your follower list from other people, especially from someone you don't want to see your follower list. But that's it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.